In this video, we listed the 5 best folding treadmills that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Merax Electric Folding Treadmill. The Merax Folding Treadmill is a space-efficient and versatile home fitness solution designed for adults. With a compact dimensions of 55-inch WX 23.5, DX 43H and a weight of 64 pounds, it features a quick folding mechanism and convenient transportation wheels for easy storage under the bed or in a corner when not in use. Equipped with a powerful 2.5 HP motor, it supports speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour and offers 12 preset programs alongside 3 countdown modes tailored to help users achieve various fitness goals. The multifunctional LCD display tracks workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, while integrated speakers allow users to enjoy their music during exercise through a USB flash drive. Additional features include convenient shortcut buttons on the handles for easy control and a high-density lawn texture belt that enhances comfort and safety by absorbing shock and preventing slips. The treadmill has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, making it a robust choice for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. Reebok Jet 100 Series Treadmill. The Reebok Jet 100 is an advanced portable treadmill designed for adults seeking an effective home cardio solution. Weighing 167.6 pounds and constructed from durable plastic, this treadmill features air motion technology, which adapts dynamically to each foot strike, enhancing support through its cushioning pods. With impressive specifications like a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a 12% incline capability, users can customize their workouts to suit their fitness levels. The Jet 100 is compatible with the Reebok Fitness app, allowing for tailored workout tracking and management via smartphone. Its user-friendly interface includes a 5 LED display and a profile chart, while offering a variety of programs: 3 user-defined, 3 heart rate control, HRC, and 3 target programs, to ensure a challenging exercise experience. Assembly is required for setup, but its innovative design makes it a valuable addition to any home gym. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness Treadmill. The XTERRA treadmill, designed for residential use, features a sleek black color and a sturdy construction made from alloy steel. It has dimensions of 63.4 inch in length, 28.75 in width, and 51.4 in height, weighing 97 pounds. Making it a robust yet manageable option for home fitness. This foldable treadmill boasts a generous 16 inches by 50 inches walking, running surface, accommodating users of various sizes and stride lengths, and can reach a maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. Powered by a standard 110V outlet, it is equipped with an easy-to-read 5-inch LCD display that provides real-time updates on speed, incline, time, distance, calories burned, and pulse. Additionally, it offers 12 preset workout programs and 3 manual incline settings for a diverse exercise experience. The convenient pull knob mechanism allows for effortless folding and unfolding, ensuring easy storage when not in use. Number 4. Schwinn Fitness 810 Treadmill. The Schwinn Fitness Treadmill is a high-quality exercise machine designed for adults seeking an effective fitness solution. This new model features a sleek black alloy steel design with dimensions of 69.1 inch DX 35.6, WX 56.7 H and weighs 155 pounds, making it portable and manageable. It boasts an impressive maximum speed of 10 miles per hour and a 10% motorized incline, allowing users to customize their workout intensity. The treadmill is equipped with a 20-inch by 55-inch running path that incorporates the soft-track cushioning system for a comfortable running experience. The blue backlit LCD display offers 16 workout programs and supports 2 user profiles, while the Explore the World subscription provides access to over 50 global routes that adjust automatically to your pace. Additional features include integrated heart rate contact grips and soft drop folding technology, ensuring easy storage and a safe, gentle descent when in use. Number 5. GoPlus Electric Folding Treadmill. The GoPlus SuperFit Folding Treadmill is a versatile and user-friendly exercise machine designed for adults, offering a sleek black appearance and compact dimensions of 60-inch x 30.5 x 46.5 h, weighing 106 pounds. It features a sturdy iron and ABS construction, supporting a maximum user weight of 265 pounds. This treadmill is powered by a 2.25 HP motor, providing a wide speed range of 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour, along with 12 preset programs to accommodate various workout intensities. The advanced LED display monitors key metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned, while heart rate grips enhance workout safety. Designed with a spacious running belt measuring 47.6 inches by 16.5 inches, it offers stability during use, making it ideal for different fitness levels. The foldable design allows for convenient storage, and safety features include an emergency stop device and UL-certified wiring. Additionally, built-in Bluetooth speakers and a shock absorption system elevate the exercise experience by combining music with a cushioning running surface to protect joints and muscles.